Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 1 over 2 sine t. If we put this one go in here, you got about 1 over 4 sine t square. Number 4, we cancel. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. And later that, we simplify by the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. You got about 1 over 2 cosine t dt. So, we put this one go in here. And this one go in here. The s we change by this one. This one we have 1 over 4 sine t square. Number 4, we cancel. 1 minus sine t square, that's about cosine t square. And this is about trigonometric identity. And this one you got about cosine t. 1 over 2, you got about 1 over 4. Cosine t, you got about cosine t square. And now, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cosine t, dz equal to negative sine t dt. So because we don't have the negative sign here, so we put the negative next to dz. This one we change by z, and you got about z square. Sine t dt, we change by negative dz. The integration of z square, you got about z to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About z, that's about cosine t. About t, that is about this one. So we multiply both sides by number 2. And we got about t equal to r sine of 2s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.